Yes, there is one word that can profoundly and instantly speed up the manifestations of all that you desire, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Hello, my dear one. My name is Lenka Lutonska, if we don't know each other. I'm a limitless millionaire mentor and a powerful wealth activator for spiritual entrepreneurs and change makers like you. And I will warmly welcome you here. Let's get started. So what is that one word that can profoundly speed up manifestations of your desire? It's simply choice. Choice. You probably will have heard before that we don't manifest that which we want, but that which we are. You are not manifesting that which you want. You're manifesting that which you are. Tomorrow, what you receive, what you manifest very much depends on who you are today. And so if we want to manifest more abundance, more love, more ease, more flow, more trust and support and all of that goodness, it's not enough to want it. It's important to be it. And that being comes to one simple word, and that is your choices. You are making choices all the time, and you're doing them consciously or simply unconsciously. And those choices will be aligned with who you want to be and who you're meant to be. The love and abundance and joy and peace and pleasure and play. And or you're making those choices based on what you don't want, based on the old, the lack, fear, stuckness, betrayal, all of that heavy energy. Now, let me share with you how can you instantly align your being with that who you're meant to be, with that which you want. But first, let me show you this or remind you this polarity, if you like, the main polarity, the only polarity based on which the entire universe and your reality exists. And that is polarity of love and fear. So you either are love or you are fear. You either choose out of love or you choose out of fear. There is no other way. And there is, of course, the degrees of it. There is greater and greater degree of love that you are and you choose, or you are greater and greater degree of fear, which you are and you choose from. And on here, on that polarity of love, you have everything that comes with it. It's a light, it's your truth, it's the abundance, it's that flow, it's that support, it's that receiving with ease, it's the ease itself, it's the playfulness, it's magic, it's miracles, it's growth, it's expansion, it's all that you desire because that's all you're meant to be, that's who you are. Over here, you've got all these illusions. This is illusion, and this we kind of willingly bought into this illusion so we can actually become the light, become the love. So these illusions are things such as, of course, fear and doubt and I'm not ready and waiting and attachment and greed and betrayal and lack of support and lack and you know what I'm talking about. That is all that you don't want because it's illusion. Now, here is the thing. It's not enough to say, I am, or I choose, or I want, or I desire more abundance. It's what's the most important is that you also become abundance. And that ultimately comes down to your choices. So for instance, I'm going to share with you just a few things where as human beings, we typically fall a little or very short, and we say we choose or are one thing, but we actually are being another. So let's say you say, I want or I choose more abundance. But on the other hand, you choose it. You might want it, you might desire, you might be committed to it. You might really work to bring more abundance to your life, more abundance to your business, more abundance to your family. You might, yes. But on the other hand, the daily choices that you make in your business and life are mostly from place of lack of abundance. So for instance, you go into the supermarket, and even though you really want to be abundance and have more abundance and create more abundance, you're going to still choose everything based on what's cheaper. Because what if? Because there is a lack. Because that's not who I am. And you see, what do you think makes more difference? What do you think really affects the manifestation? That which you say you want, that which you are working for maybe, that which you really choose, or that which you are, your choice. Of course, it's the choice, because it's ultimately the choice that demonstrates your current state of being. It's the choice. So then, we want to close this choice gap. And the thing is, you don't have to close this gap altogether, but you want to continually lean in towards making your choices for place of who you know you are, who you choose to be. So if that's abundance that you want to call in and create, you're going to be more aware of the choices you make every day and start making more and more choices from place of abundance. You will become more and more abundance. So for instance, you're going to come to supermarket and consciously going to choose a few items that are not the cheapest, but are the best, because you know you are abundance. You're going to maybe give more. Maybe you're consciously not going to, oh, I've got to be careful with my money. I'm actually going to, even in a little way, give coins into the supermarket trolleys for someone to be pleasantly surprised and find that the trolleys has been released because you put coins in it. Or just give something, give to your charity, give, but not with expectation to, I've got to receive. Give. That's being abundance, that's choosing abundance. That's the choice out of abundant state of being. You see? So more you're going to lean in towards making choices from place of abundance rather than from place of lack, more abundant you become, full stop. The universe within you cannot not listen to who you are. By law, it will start reflecting more and more of who you are, more and more of your choices. Here is another area very often say one thing and actually do another. Intend one thing but choose another. So let's say we choose and we intend for relationships filled with trust. I want to have friends and maybe romantic partner that is based on a deep, deep trust. And yet you are the one who is going to check your partner's phone because you don't extend that trust. You are functioning from place of betrayal is possible. I might be betrayed. So you're not leaning into that trust, you see? So another example here is that you might proclaim that, yes, I'm the woman who is fully accepting myself, or I really want to be the woman who wants to be fully self-accepting, self-loving. And yet, when you go out of the door, you're not going out if your trousers are not perfectly matching with your top, because what will people think? You judge. So we have in this beauty called life and energy in front of us every day, every single day, plenty of opportunities where we are making that choice that is based in love or out of energy of love or fear, abundance or lack, support or I've got to do it myself. That's another one. I want a support. I want to be deeply supported. I want this, and that. And yet, when the support is offered, I can do it myself. I'll do it better myself. That's what I want to share with you today. Be more mindful about your choices, because ultimately it's choices. It's your choices that manifest. That's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about identity. It's not how you feel. It's not what you intend. It's not what you say. It's not what you wish for that manifests. It's who you are, your identity manifests. And it's what you choose based on your identity will manifest. So lean into those choices that match that which you choose to be. You want more abundance? Be more love. Choose more based on love. You want to be more abundant? Choose to be more abundant. Be more abundant today. You want to have more ease? Choose ease today. Be more ease. You want to have more peace in the world or in your life? Choose to be peace today. And yes, even reflection is where I have been saying one thing and choosing another is useful. It's not comfortable, but it's useful. And remember, leaning in. That is how you'll super accelerate your manifestation of that which you desire. Leaning in over here with your choices, with your state of being, all day, every day. All day, every day. And the life will give you those opportunities. So I want to hear from you today, because there will be plenty for today. What one choice you know that you will be making or are making right now? And when I say choice, it's not just, okay, I'm going to do it. No, you're actually doing it. You're actually becoming. You're letting that, whatever is that choice, whatever is that step, you're letting it through your body. What's that new choice for today? New choice from place of truth and love and abundance and peace and joy and play. What's that one choice? How you're going to be more of that today? I want to hear, please. I want to hear, please, because that is what is going to make most of the difference for you today and for what you receive tomorrow, and perhaps even today. Okay? And finally, I would love to also, because I haven't mentioned anything on these videos, is to bring into your awareness, in case you don't know, that I opened a brand new embodiment container called Miracle Woman. Did you hear? You see, in these videos, I bring my best. I bring my gift to you all the time, and I will continue to do it all the time to activate you, activate you, activate you. To raise your awareness, to raise your awareness, to raise your awareness, because you deserve it, and it's very much needed for you to become that woman, that entrepreneur, that impactor, that receiver that you're meant to be. But one thing I cannot do in these videos is to embody it for you. Become that limitless entrepreneur and limitless receiver and miracle woman. And that's what the embodiment containers are for. These are the timely rich programs where I'll give you a lot more support, a lot more energy, where you step into that energy and you allow yourself to be supported in a very rich way to actually become that highest version of you. And of course, I didn't have to create a brand new embodiment container, because I have a very powerful Limitless Millionaire, very, very powerful program, embodiment program, where you step into the highest level of self. But I've been called to create another embodiment program, which is a Miracle Woman. And that is for those of you that the Limitless Millionaire is just too far out. It's too far out, either in terms of investment or where your desires and mind can go. And you will be limitless millionaire. It's all there for you. But maybe it's a little too far out. And so this, I'm really creating it for women like me in a past self, you know, when I so wanted to live a rich life. But what I had was mismatch, was not. So the Miracle Woman is there for you regardless of where you are right now. Where you are right now, it doesn't matter. You have a business, you don't have a business, you have lots of abundance, you don't have abundance. It doesn't matter. But what's important is where you want to go. And if you want to go to the highest level of you as a receiver, manifester, creator, miracle maker. Miracle Woman is there for you. So that might be one of the greatest choices you might make for yourself, is to lean in. And if the Miracle Woman is calling you, step in. I want to thank you for all those of you that already stepped in, and I'm truly, truly looking forward to extraordinary year of extraordinary expansion and embodiment of that which you truly, truly are. Pure abundance, ever-evolving abundance, pure love. That's who you are, and receiving that love. Magnificent receiving, magnificent impactor, full woman, full life. That's who you are. That's who you're meant to be. So I'm so looking forward to help you to unleash it and become that miracle woman. And for now, I'm still waiting for that comment below how you are going to be today. More abundance, more joy, what choice you're making. Let me know, and I'll see you next time. So much love. Bye-bye. Miracle Woman. She is the force to be reckoned with. An entire creative universal force is flowing through her, and she knows how to use it for the greatest good of all. As such, miracles seek her all day, every day. She is unique, and she uses her unique gifts to impact millions and to make millions. Miracle Woman is insanely rich, financially, emotionally, spiritually, and she lights up the path of infinite possibilities for many. She is full of love, certainty, light. She is super abundant, full of joy, pleasure, play. The Miracle Woman honors herself and her desires. She knows that all that her heart desires is meant for her, and she lives that knowing every day. She plays with life fully, and she lets her life show her what she is truly capable of. She turns her ceilings into new floors, and she turns her challenges into new opportunities. Oh yes, she's a limit breaker, a rebel, a unicorn. As such, miracles seek her all day, every day, because she is pure magic, a miracle, and she knows it. The Miracle Woman lives deep within you, and she is so eager to fully express herself through you, through your life, through your business. It's her that has been whispering to you for ages. You are meant for more. You are more. Are you going to listen to her?